So the question paper yesterday GS1 was on expected lines, but about general essay was on expected lines. Why? Because I was been discussing with my essay students that compulsory we have to do on philosophical essays. The same was been repeated. I will be discussing 10 points in this particular session. So quickly, understanding the trend of the exam with lot of analysis, nearly 4 or 5 hours I sat to understand this. So with that 4 or 5 hours of effort, this class I will be delivering. So it's worth listening. So you will get enough knowledge. So what I am going to discuss today is, the first is the trend of the question paper. Essay paper need to be prepared beyond GS and ethics. Essay paper need to be prepared beyond GS and ethics. Why? The reasoning I will be explaining here. My survey, the difficulty level with discussing with nearly 40 students who are going to write 2022 mains and who wrote 2021 mains. Mainly nearly 16 students who I personally called them and I got the information regarding the essay. With that, my survey, I will be explaining you whether linking current affairs is possible in these philosophical essays. In fact, I will name this as not as a philosophical essay, but I will name it as abstract essay. Better we can call it as an abstract essay. Then testing, so what is all about? It's about, I came to a conclusion that it's about testing you and your perception with respect to the society, with respect to the world, and with respect to India. What are you and what is your view with respect to the society, the world, the India. So it's a perceptional essay. We have to build our own perception. And the next I will be discussing about funny thing, problem with language translation. Most of the people might be thinking, or most of the people might be feeling jealous, at least Hindi medium people, they will be reading in Hindi and they will be understanding. Telugu is not there, Kannada is not there, Malayalam is not there, but a very big impact with the translation. The words, that also analyze what are the mistakes which happened with translation. That also I will be discussing. Do some standard essays which are part of our program. Yes, so I gave some essays for you also. Some essays which we have to do randomly, because of which we will come to a conclusion. Preparation should be wider and deeper. Preparation should be wider and deeper. So preparation cannot be superficial. The preparation should be wider and deeper. How? Preparation should be a continuous and have a longer approach. And my formula, I devised one formula by this 2021 essay paper. So that formula I will be explaining in this particular session with this 2021 essay paper. How the essays are? The essays are like this. Your perception of me is a reflection of you. What is me? You are not that. My reaction to you is an awareness of me. So it's something the essays are, which are very, very strange essays this time. So understanding the statements are similar to our Swami, Nityananda Swami. So how we have to decode it also we will be discussing in this particular session. First, we will discuss the question paper. So what are the questions they asked? So online, if it is visible, it's good. If it's not visible, please open your PDF at your place. The process of self-discovery. See, we have to identify the words in the examination hall. The process of self-discovery means discovering ourselves has now been technologically outsourced. So what the self-discovery? What is a self-discovery, and how it should be how it is technologically outsourced? It means ourselves, what we are, is outsourced. Outsourced people are allowing us to understand ourselves. The people whom we are contracted out, they are helping us to find ourselves. In which fields? Your perception of me is a reflection of you. My reaction to you is an awareness of me. This is also a very beautiful essay. The third, philosophy of wantlessness means austerity. Philosophy of wantlessness is utopian. Philosophy of wantlessness is a utopian, means I am an austere person. I don't want anything. I don't want anything from the world. My philosophy is wantlessness, means I don't want anything. I don't want anything from the society. There will be no individual who will tell that I don't want anything from the society. It's a utopian concept. Utopian concept means ideal concept, superficial concept, hypothetical concept which doesn't exist. Not egalitarian. Achha, you are linking with egalitarian. So he want to tell that yes, egalitarian society is also one society which is utopian society. Means we cannot expect egalitarian society in the world. Some or the other form of stratification will be present. Yes, true. Utopian, ideal society. Every man wants something. So the philosophy of wantlessness means I don't want anything in the world. The philosophy of wantlessness is utopian, means a wrong concept, means man wants something. While materialism is a chimera. First we don't know this meaning. What is this chimera? A chimera क्या है? Camera मालूम है मगर chimera क्या है? While materialism is chimera. Materialism is illusion. Chimera means illusion. Well, materialism means if I got this, yes, I am satisfied. So we cannot tell by materialism also we are going to get satisfied, we are going to be happy. It is an illusion. When we have Maruti 800, we want WagonR. When we have WagonR, we want Honda City. When we have Honda City, we want BMW. So we cannot come to a conclusion. So materialism is an illusion. With some materials we are going to be in a Maya. With some materials we are going to be happy, means no. So wantlessness is an utopian concept and materialism is also an illusion. So there should be a balance between what we want, what we doesn't want. So man should have some beliefs, man should have some values. That means you should not have extreme wants, you should not be also I don't want anything. Means if we be like this, the concept which is asked here is about sustainable development. The question is about sustainable development. When I tell I don't want anything is also wrong. When I tell I want everything but still the man will be in illusion, means what? We should want a society, we should be a man by which the society will be sustainable development. The question is about sustainable development. The real is rational and the rational is real. The real is rational and the rational is real. Next, this is expected, which we were been discussing in our essay program. Hand that rocks, the cradle rules the world. It's about mother. It's about mother. It's about woman. So, particularly mother, generally woman you have to write in this essay. Easy essay. Particularly mother. If mother helps because of mother care, because of mother affection, because of mother love, to the child is becoming more lovable. If the child is not having mother care, the child will be in a confusion, the child will be in an illusion, he don't know what he is doing. There is a chance of becoming an anti-social element. So mother is very important aspect. So mother in particular and woman in general. This is very interesting essay. What is research but a blind date with knowledge? If it is not visible, please zoom it. What is research but a blind date with knowledge? It's a blind date with knowledge. It's a beautiful word, beautiful sentence. Understanding and framing itself for me took nearly 15 minutes. What is research? So what is research means? People, they will join into a department. The people will join into a department like biotechnology or nanotechnology or information technology and starts doing research. It's not like that. We have to do the research which we don't know. So what will happen? Curiosity will be developed. wanting will develop in us to know more, to discover more, to invent more. That will create new things in the world. So it should be like a blind date here. Blind date means with whom we are going. English blind date it is, really blind date only. With whom we are going to date, we should not know whether we will be in a confused state, whether we will be in a state of shock, whether we will be in a state of something very curious. So that is what. What is research but a blind date with a knowledge? Yes, you are going to do research on that particular aspect which you should not know. Then what will happen? The invention, the discovery which is going to happen will be a shocking revolution. That is called as original research. If you are going to do biotechnology and if you are going inside, you will come to know that yes, I am going to find something which is related to biotechnology. COVID is a shock. Why? Because we didn't expect that a COVID is going to be in 21st century a pandemic. So we didn't do blind date. We didn't do research blindly. We didn't expected some results in the future. We didn't expected these are going to happen. So before happening, our research should forecast it and we need to have an outcome. Whether we are delayed in understanding the pandemic of COVID or not, whether we are delayed in understanding the COVID or not, 100%. Whether in the 21st century, manufacturing the COVID vaccination got delayed or not, yes. Why? Why? Because we were been doing research according to our perception, according to our bias, according to the fund, according to the knowledge which we already have. But the research should be like a blind date. Research should be like a virgin. What we are going to do, we have to explore in new estates, new places, new areas, new sectors. So the development or the new things which we are going to get, which is not there in the society. For example, I will tell you, whether computer discovery, computer invention, is it not a blind date? Altogether newly we got a computer system. Charles Babbage, it might be any person who discovered this, who invented this computer. It created altogether a new industry or not? It created altogether a new life or not? At that time, whether they know that the computer is going to change the world like this, no. They started doing research, So now it's a time. By 2000 year, what happened? The socially and economically backward countries like India got a very good progress because of information communication technology. You can expect India without information communication technology revolution. How many people got employment? If not this all, quality people might be going to foreign country, or this quality people, when they are unemployed into the government sector, they might be going into Naxalism. Information communication technology had provided food for large section of people. Similarly, it's a time to create such systems which should be a revolution that can happen only by blind date, a new research. So the question is not about doing research in the fields which we know, doing research in fields which we don't know, and to create altogether a new invention. That is the question is about. Karl Marx. History repeats itself. History repeats itself, first as a tragedy, second as a farce. Farce means funny thing. History repeats itself, first as a tragedy and second as a farce, as a fun. I will tell in this context. People will think this is a direct statement from Karl Marx. Students of psychology will read this, students of PSIR will read this, student of sociology also will read this. But what will happen, What will happen, the answer will be in philosophical context, the answer will be in sociological context, the answer will be in PSIR, it will be a disaster. Last year, 2020, there was a question, culture and civilization interdependent. Those who written the culture and civilization interdependent in anthropological context, they got very less marks. This is general studies, means part of a general study. A part of a general study, it is not one particular optional. So if any people have a notion that if I take this optional, then I can write this essay, means 100% wrong. After 2020, I was the person who told that if you take anthropology, you will write this essay. Means no. You should write an essay in a general form, in a multi-dimensional format. Similarly, now it's not going to promote philosophy, it's not going to help any of the, instead you will be getting less marks. In fact, you will be getting less marks. We have to dig deeper. We have to understand, we have to give the meanings with it. In World War II context, he told, there are better practices to best practices, better practices. Better than the best practices. Up to now we are thinking that we have best practices. Better than the best practices, there are better practices, values, beliefs. That is the better practice, no? When you don't have values, when you don't have ethics, when you don't have morality, whatever may be the best practice, whether it is a final practice, there is something is there which is better than the best. That better than the best is value oriented. So, if you notice, section A question and section B question from this, मुझे क्या समझ में आया? What I understood from this, the trend of the question paper, section A and section B, what I noticed from 2010 to 2018, 2010 to 2018, in 2010, 2008, 2007, when I was writing 2009, damn sure, only one essay, 300 marks. At that time, 300 marks will be there. Only one essay, and we know that essay. Whether it will be a woman essay, or whether it will be a education essay, whether it will be a health essay. So it's very clear. Generic topics. UPSC also evolving like virus, Delta virus, Omicron virus. UPSC is also evolving, and UPSC by 2014 gave two sections, 125 marks and 125 marks. Section A, section B. Again, section A, generic topics. Section B, two are generics, two are philosophical essay, abstract essay. Then by 2017-18, one section is dominated by abstract, other section is dominated by generic. One section is dominated by abstract essay, like statements, like quotations. Section A is dominated by abstract, and the section B is dominated by generic. Now, this is by 2016, then 2019-20, what they did? They changed. Section A is generic, section B is abstract, and here it became generic. And by now in 2021, they stopped complete generic essays. Everything is an abstract essay. Everything is an abstract essay. So that means 2021 is a trend setter, and the trend is going to continue. 2021 is a trend setter, and 2022 is going to continue in the same way. If it might be a generic essay, it will be on the lines. The quotation will be in philosophical essay. How to do also I will be explaining in this particular session, the philosophical and abstract essays. So the trend, if you understand, earlier it was generic, then it was being abstract generic, then generic abstract, then totally became abstract. This is the flow, and the reasoning is correct. It makes a sense, yes or no? It makes a sense. Earlier it was generic. Why? Because the population is not evolved. The people are evolving intelligently. So then they thought that there is a need for more intelligent people, more aptitude people. So they brought abstract. Then they brought, again they changed it here and there. And finally they fixed what they want. They want the abstract. The people should come out. The people should come out who are having the personality. The people should come out who can understand the things properly. So 2021 is a trend setter for abstract essay, and it is going to be, so this is a trend setting paper. Essay paper, sir, a question will come. Essay paper need to be prepared how, sir? Sir, मुझे एक book बोल दीजिए. Give me one book. Tell me one book. I will read like anything the book. I will write and I will come that essay, philosophical. Right? I will go and I will write and I will come. Give me one book name. That time period came to an end. I'm extremely sorry. There is no one book and there is no one source. It might be my classes also. I'm delivering. My classes also. It might be anyone's classes also. It is not one source. We have to get the points. We have to get the inputs and we have to develop. We have to develop. If you remember the essay classes of ours, if you remember, I used to tell that, please, we have to articulate, you have to make the source. My source is limited only 20%. 80% source you have to articulate, yes or no? So now, for essay, there is not a single source. How, sir, then? First point you have to understand is, essay and general essay, both are not one and the same. Essay, general studies, not one and the same. Essay is different and general studies is different. So we want a different approach now. Up to now we have an approach, yes, polity kar diya, economy kar diya, bas ho gaya mera. No, we wanted altogether a different approach. The different approach is beyond. What is the different approach, sir? The different approach is beyond GS. Sir, but some essays are like ethics also, sir. Ethics also. Beyond ethics. Yes, we can take Q. We can take points from the GS and ethics, but it is not final. That means what you take from GS, what you take from ethics is not final. Yes, you will take the content, you will take enough content, but it is not final. So the second declaration which I am giving is, essay paper need to be prepared beyond GS, beyond ethics. If you feel that my GS has been completed, I am ready for essay, then you are wrong. My ethics preparation has been completed, hence I am ready for essay, then you are wrong. So what is the conclusion is, essay preparation means essay preparation, a different approach, a particular approach, a clear-cut approach. If you complete general studies, it doesn't mean that you completed your essay. If you completed your ethics, means it doesn't mean that you completed your essay. So you have to think beyond GS. You have to come out beyond GS. Now I am telling you, to 2021 essay who didn't prepare for GS at all can write this essay. If they have awareness on the knowledge, if they have awareness of the world, if they have awareness about the society, then they can attempt this essay. If they didn't prepare for general studies also. My survey, what I found it, my survey, after talking with the people, with sampling, I understood, if I put it from 1 to 100, 1 is very easy. 1 is very easy, like necessity is the need of invention, that type of questions once upon a time. Necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. Very, very easy to abstract. You, me, perception, awareness, this is today's essay. So 50 average. Then you will get a doubt, sir, 2021 is that much tough, no? Whether students will get the marks, students will get marks more than 150 marks. There will be students who will be getting marks 150 plus marks. If you want to crack the examination in any cost, you have to cross 130 plus. You have to cross 130 plus marks. So with respect to difficulty level, this is difficult. This is difficult level, and I am going to place it under 70 to 80. My rating is 70 to 80, this 2021 paper. So who are standing here, they will stand here. Who are standing here, they will stand here. Who are standing here, they will stand here. Yes, it is a doable. It is a attemptable. Why? Because someone should get the rank. So the person who is going to get the rank compulsory, he will be at the level of 150 plus. So it's a doable, it's attemptable. The students are doing, who are doing what essay most of them written also I made by asking to them, that also I will be giving. So difficulty level, I am quoting it to 70 to 80%. At the same time, general essay 1, GS1, I am quoting somewhere around 30 to 40. General studies 1. Which essay is best to write? If anyone asks me, or which I will write, if I am writing this mains, if this 2021 mains, if I am going to write, I am going to attempt this. I want to be in a risk-free, easy, hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. First I will write this, section B. In the very first line, the first minute itself, I understood this essay is about water. So first I will start with this. Why? Because it is easy for me. So I will get a very good impression from this first essay. Then I will go to section A. Then I will think whether I have to write your perception of me is a reflection of you, my reaction of you is an awareness of me, whether I have to do this or not. The process of self-discovery is now being technology. I will be writing this. Philosophy of wantlessness is utopian. I understood that. I understood this particular essay, but I don't have content. Personally, I don't have the content. So I will not write this. The real is rational and the rational is real. There is a chance what UPSC might be interpreting this. So I will not attempt to this. I will attempt to this. The process of self-discovery has now been technologically outsourced. Just one example I will tell you. Simple example which we discussed in our essay class also. I have an example also I told you. When you open the YouTube, when you open the Facebook, which videos you are going to watch, which post you are going to watch will be determined by you or will be determined by the artificial intelligence. When you open, when you randomly, if you go to a home page in YouTube or in your Facebook, what you are going to watch, what you are going to, which post you are going to watch, who will be deciding it? You or technologically outsourced artificial intelligence like Facebook company or YouTube company? Artificial intelligence only, no, the question is about that. You will wear a watch, you will go to a workout, you will go to a gym. This will give you information about you. That watch will give you information about you. How much fat level you burnt, how much fat level you burnt, more how much time you need to do walk, more how much time you need to do workout. Who will be telling? Technology will be telling us. So about ourselves, who is going to give the information? The technology. So the question here is about artificial intelligence. I believe I had a very good content on artificial intelligence. The question is about artificial intelligence. The question is about robotics. The question is about algorithms. The question is about information communication technology. The more topics about computerography. These all things I will be writing in this particular essay. So doable only. If you understood the topic, you need to get one question, I got a very good content. So this way, with YouTube example, with Facebook example, advanced examples, I will be writing this essay. And this hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. Yes, mother will be giving that love, care, she will be giving the comfort, because of which we will be socialized. Our socialization is because of mother, our socialization is because of the family, and after the marriage also, for the men, the socialization process is also by the woman in that way. Because of his comfort at the home, the same person is behaving socially in the society in that way. I will be decoding. So the safest essay will be, for me, if I write, I will be writing the 1, I will be writing the 5. But still there is a bet. Why? Because we need to understand artificial intelligence, we need to understand about the robotics, we need to have lot of examples. Mother and cradle also, how we have to arrange. So because of that only, I rated the difficulty level, the rating is from 70 to 80. But again I am telling you, there will be students who are going to get the rank, who are getting marks 150 plus. In this essay, who will score 150 plus? They will be into the service. Who are going to cross 130, either interview or service. So we cannot tell that it is unattemptable. It is attemptable. Whether linking current affairs is possible in this philosophical essay, sir? So I did lot of current affairs preparation. Whether current affairs I can use, why? Because what I prepared, it should be helpful. Yes, I was discussing about artificial intelligence. I was discussing about autonomous weapons. I was discussing about algorithms. If we talk about mother also, what are the current events with respect to women? What are the current events with respect to mother? So current events also you can add. So it's not totally abstract. Still you can add the current affairs and you can make your essay dynamic. So it's about what, sir, finally? So what is this awareness about you, awareness about me? What is this all? It is about, so the UPSC demand is, first, in our Vedas also, in our ancient history also, our cultural heritage also told that the person is successful when he wins over him. The person is successful when he wins over himself. Means when he is going to have a control on him, that person is a perfect man. Whether our ancient India told this or not. Self-control is the biggest weapon, yes or no? So the question is about whether we know we, whether I know I, whether I have awareness about the society, whether I have knowledge about the world, whether I have knowledge about my own country. So it's about personality of an individual, and that personality of individual perception towards the. So what means what? First, anything, any topic which we are discussing, for example, the age of the girl has been increased from 18 to 21, then you should have your own opinion. Is it good? Is it bad? Socially, politically, economically, culturally, philosophically, spiritually, whether the step is good or bad. If it happens in your family, how you will take. If it happens in your society, how you will take. Whether it's a good step or a bad step. Means our perception, we need to build up our own perception. A politician is forced you to keep a signature. If you are keeping the signature, you will be getting a ransom amount of money. If you are not going to keep the signature, either you are going to get the transfer or you are going to get some injury. Then first you have to know what you are. You are a person of ethics or you are a person of a compromise. You are a person of a material or you are a person of a non-material. You are a person of ethical or a person of non-ethical. First you should have a clarity. First, at least I myself should have a clarity. Then when I myself have a clarity, if I do mistake also, I will be happy. Why? Because I know what I am going to. So now the UPSC is concentrating on first you know yourself. First you know about yourself, then you know about the world. If you know about yourself and then you know about the world, then 100% you can be a civil servant. Why? Because you are having self-control. The person who is having self-control will have a societal control. The person who is going to have a self-control will have a societal control. That they want to test in the general essay. This is what. Testing you and your perception on the society, India and the world. Means every topic which you are reading in the newspaper, you should think from your perspective, whether it is a good step or a bad step. What is your opinion on this? A rational opinion you have to make, a good opinion you have on all the topics. This all will help you in your essay paper. Opinion building mechanism. Funny thing, problem with language translation. I will tell you, just see the question. See the question here. You only tell me. I hope no one focused on Hindi. But see, what is research? Sixth wala, what is research? But a blind date with knowledge. Blind date, unknown exploration about with knowledge. शोध क्या है? शोध मीन्स यस रिसर्च. शोध क्या है? ज्ञान के साथ, ज्ञान मीन्स नॉलेज, ज्ञान के साथ एक अजनबी मुलाकात. वेदर ब्लाइंड डेट इज अजनबी मुलाकात, स्ट्रेंजर के साथ एक अजनबी मुलाकात. अजनबी मीन्स हु? स्ट्रेंजर. अजनबी मुलाकात, मीटिंग विद ए स्ट्रेंजर. ब्लाइंड डेट इज आई एम गोइंग टू डेट. डेट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट एंड मुलाकात इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. It's not a strange event. It is something where I am going to stay with one particular gender. So, ajnabi mulaqat. So, ज्ञान के साथ एक अजनबी मुलाकात. People will understand in a different way. Ajnabi, stranger. Once upon a time, there was, I believe, in one of the public service commissions when United Andhra Pradesh was being there. There is one question which is called as this Big Boss and all. What this program is called as? This program will be called as what? Reality shows or what? Reality shows. What they written? Reality shows, you know, reality shows are affecting the society. Expected question. Today also, if it comes, it's expected question. Reality shows are expecting the children is controlling the students or society or children. Reality shows are influencing. Expected question. It was a question in 2013 way back. The translation was, it was in Telugu. Reality show they written as Pratyaksha Prasaralu. Pratyaksha Prasaralu means what? Whether live is different and reality is different, yes or no? So the people who interpreted it in Telugu, they written about live matches, live games. Pratyaksha Prasaralu means live only, no? But the question is about what originally? Reality shows. Check in the Google. Check in the Google, you will get it. So for those students, I am going to tell you, please read it in English, understand in English only. English is final, it is mentioned in UPSC notification also. Whatever written is English is final. So if this, on this particular issue, if anyone go to the court also, the court is not going to accept. It is mentioned that the English version is final. आत्मसंधान के प्रक्रिया एवं तकनीक के रूप से वद्य सूटों के सफी रही है. The process of self-discovery has now been technologically outsourced. Self-discovery is different. Atma-sandhan is different. Something about soul. So people will think that it's about soul. So there is a chance that they might write about the soul. So my soul and my ethics are important. So it might be a spiritual essay. Yes. But I'm not a direct person who is going to influence because of this question paper. This type of questions are there. So one information I am going to give is English interpretation is final. English interpretation is final. Why? Because they might did Google only. Google means Google only, it will come. Do some standard essays, yes, which are part of our program, but generally I am telling you, do some standard essays. Compulsory, expected lines, every year. Information, communication technology, research and development. We discussed compulsory technology question will come. Damn sure I told. Research and development, technology oriented, artificial intelligence wala questions, expected questions. Every year, one time you complete one topic on technology. You complete one topic on media and social media. Done. You complete one topic on women. Compulsory women question came now. You do one topic on good governance. You do one topic on education. You do one topic on health. You do one topic on skill development. You do one topic on sanitation. 100%. If it come or not, but expected. Some standard essays, minimum to minimum 10 standard essays you have to do. You should have content. So what happened, in the process of doing, you will be having some content. So relevantly, you can use the content. Some standard essays, minimum 10 standard essays, you need to do. 8th, preparation should be wider and deeper. Yes, it should be continuous. It should be longer. Prelims June 5th. Mains October 20, 2022. September 20, no? September 20, June 5th, September 20, sir. September 10th onwards, daily I will do one essay. September 1, September not 1, September 10th only. September 10, September 11, September 10 essays I will do. 10 days is enough. One day batting I will do one essay. Hence it is completed. No. Essays should have a longer drive. Essay is a long drive, not a short drive. Essays we have to read wider. Essays we need to have a wider perception. We have to go deeper. Why? Because it's not only about reading the fact, we should also fit ourselves in the essay. You into the education, you into the health, you into the skill development, you into the woman, you into the technology. Then you can develop your perception with respect to technology. When you fit into it, no, then only we can understand. If one person is facing problem, if I see from outside, I will understand problem from his perspective. But if I want to understand from my perspective, I have to go and I have to experience the problem. So for that purpose, essay should be a long run. Essay should be a long run. September 16th, 2022 mains. So only 6 essays you will be doing if you start on 10th. It should be a long run, minimum 6 to 7 months, frequently. I will not tell this many essays you have to do, but frequently you should be in a touch with essay. Frequently you have to be in a touch with essay. You should never leave the touch with the essay. You should be practicing. Some or the other. Preparation should be continuous and longer. Never neglect essay preparation, regular preparation for a longer period. Is it inevitable? It is inevitable. If you want to get 150 plus marks, I believe that I am talking to only those aspirants who want 150 plus marks. No sir, I want only 120 marks. These are the steps which you want. These are the steps you need to do if you want to score 150. It should be a regular touch. We should be in a regular touch. And when you are preparing for civil service, be serious. In 1 year you are not going to get the success. Second year you are going. Be permanent. Think permanent. This is permanent. I thought I will be in preparation, so permanently I will be in this. So when you think permanently, you will wholeheartedly involve. The problem, people will not involve. Involvement is important. For example, if I teach class, if I involve, then the better class will come out. If you want to study, if you involve, you will study in a better way. You have to involve in that. When you are writing essay, you have to involve in that. Education, preschooling, primary schooling, secondary schooling, higher education, research and development. You have to involve. Involvement is very important in. You should be a role play. You should do role play. You have to be in the role of education. You have to be in the role of health. That is which is required. That can happen only if there is a longer preparation. That can happen if you are in a longer continuous period. My formula. So I made one formula with lot of googling and all, my own analysis with all this content, mainly for philosophical essays. The philosophical essay generally follows a very simple structure. State the proportion first. A statement is given. This many statements are there. So first you should be confident that I understood the statement properly. Yes. The cradle wala statement I understood properly. The self-discovery wala statement I understood properly. First you have to be very confident this. Yes, I understood the topic. Now I will go into the topic. That is very important. State the proposition to be proved means yes. Which proposition you are going to write means you are going to write an essay that you have to understand, and the same statement in the first introductory paragraph or in the first page of your essay, explain the statement. Why? Because the statement is abstract statement. So first an evaluator will think that whether this gentleman understood about the statement or not. So first page should be decoding of the statement. State the proposition to be proved means write what is that. So first is what is that statement all about? What is that statement all about? The process of self-discovery has now been technologically outsourced. So this meaning, first I have to tell you, if I am going to, for example, nothing. See, evaluator is person who is a common man. He will think that the person who is writing the essay and who sent the essay for me, for evaluation, he should explain me first what is the sentence. So in first essay, first part of your essay, you have to explain what is the statement about. So state the proposition to be proved. Give the argument for that proposition. Now give the argument. Whether technology is helping me in my self-discovery? No, technology is not helping me in my self-discovery. Two views will be there. Two views will be there. One view is technology will be helping me in self-discovery. Technology will not be helping me in self-discovery. Which stand you will take? Which again UPSC didn't give the stand. UPSC gave a statement that technology is going to help you in your self-discovery. Whether you are accepting or not means these essays are argumentative essay. Yes, the technology is going to help me in self-discovery. How? Examples. YouTube wala example, or Twitter wala example, or Facebook wala example, any example, Twitter also. Whose tweets you are going to watch, only those tweets will come on your homepage. Means why? Because the artificial intelligence understood that you are interested in this. You are interested in this, you want to see this multiple times, so the same will be repeating. So your discovery has become easy because of technology. So second, argument. Your argument with respect to the statement. What is your, yes, technology is helping me in the self-discovery. No, technology is not helping, whatever you can take, but you have to substantiate it. I am not telling that what you took the statement is wrong or right. Whatever you take, but you should have substantiative evidences. You should have examples. Yes, sir, I will take the stand. This technology is determining me, or technology is helping me in my self-discovery. So I will give 4 or 5 examples. First page completed, second, third page completed. I gave 4 or 5 examples. Show that argument is valid. Yes, with these examples I proved the argument is valid. Show that premises are true. Whatever the premises is true, with interlinking, multidimensionally, socially, politically, economically, culturally. So whenever in essay a statement is given, you should think that it is an argumentative essay. It's an argument. You are going to do argument with yourself. Yes, no. If yes, give the points. If no, give the points. Done. How to choose the topic, sir? Sir, I am confused first of all. You tell me how to choose the topic first. This is very important. 1000 to 1200 words. Section A, 1000 to 1200 words. Section B, 1000 to 1200 words. Sir, but I don't have 1000 to 1200 words. 1000 to 1200 words means UPSC will think 150 words 2 pages. 150 words 2 pages means if it is 900 pages means how many pages? 12. 900 words means 12 pages. So 1200 pages means it would be another 6 pages, 15 pages. For every 300 pages, how many? For every 300 words, how many pages? 4 pages. 600, 8 pages. So another 900 means one more 100 means one more 100 pages. 100 words means 9 pages. Overall, 1200 means 1200 pages. Sorry, 1200 words means 12 pages. So UPSC is expecting that you should write 12 pages, 1000 to 1200 words. So UPSC will be giving 15 pages for every essay. For every essay, UPSC will be giving 15 pages. Some ones will be long or big letters or small letters. So 15 pages you will be getting. Overall, it will be a 30 pages booklet, approximately. But no need to write 1000 words, no need to write 1200 words. No need to write 1000 words, no need to write 1200 words. I believe that if you write 8-9 pages, means somewhere around how many pages? 150 words, 2 pages. So 300 words, 4 pages. So 600 words, 8 pages. 900 pages means 9 pages. Yes or no? So it should be an essay of 8 to 9 pages. That's it. No need to worry that you have to write 10 pages or 12 pages. If it is 8 pages is also okay. Content is important. So before choosing an essay, do you understand the statement topic? First, you should be self-confident. I understood the question. I understood the topic. I understood how to write the essay. I understood. Second, do you have 8 to 9 pages of content? Second, while you are deciding whether I have the content, whether I have the content or not, whether I have to move on or not, 8 to 9 pages. Third, are you familiar with the topic? Again, women, yes, I am familiar. Technology, I am not familiar. I didn't do preparation on familiar. I didn't do essay on technology, but I understood the topic. I understood the topic. So, this third important point is you should be familiar, very familiar. Your pen should drive to write an essay on that. Your pen should push you to write that essay on that. So 3 things. Number 1, you have to be self-confident that yes, the question I understood. Second, you should have 8 to 9 pages of content. Third, you should be familiar with the topic. Then only you have to move on. If these 3 factors are there, yes, I will cross check. The process of self-discovery has now been technologically outsourced. Yes, I have content of 8 to 9 pages, I understood the question, and my inner self is pushing me to write this. Yes. Hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. Yes, I understood the statement. I had content of 15 pages and I am familiar also. I am choosing this. So these are the three things which you have to keep in your mind while writing an essay. So one more question here. Sir, how we will fit in the multidimensional aspect in this technology? Yes, very good. I will tell you how to fit it. So, see, I'm not going to, I will explain you individual also. क्या होता है Harshit Jain, if I tell only about technology wala, this class will go on technology only. But there is technology is there, woman is there, me is there, perception is there, so many are there. We will be discussing individually also. If this is there, if this gentleman is giving one guidelines, your perception of me is a reflection of you. That is correct only. 100% correct this is. Your perception of, see, if anyone tells that this is given by him means wrong, just these statements will be given by him, so I am using this gentleman. I am sorry for him. My reaction to you is an awareness of. So this type of abstract essays are there. This type of abstract essays are there. So finally, more, the next point. Sources for essays, mainly abstract essays. I will tell you the source first. There is no source. First point is there is no source. If anyone tells it's a source, then they are bluffing. There is no source, number one. Number two, having a holistic knowledge about the topic. Understanding the woman, knowing the woman socially, politically, economically, culturally, philosophically, spiritually, technologically, human rights, in all dimensions. Every topic you need to have a holistic understanding. First is holistic understanding. Number two, in every topic, you should have compassion, means you should go and present in the topic, means you have to involve. Sir, this all will take time, sir. That is the reason. Daily or weekly do 2 essays. 250 marks, no? History, this many hours you will be studying. Economy, this many hours you will be studying. Politics, this many hours. 100 marks it will come in the examination. Finally 100 marks or 120 marks, this many hours you will be studying for politics. 250 marks you are going to get here. Work according to the marks. Weekly 2 essays. Weekly 2 essays means sufficient time is there. If you do once, it will be completed forever. Health, all the dimensions, current affairs, involve in that and understand health from the perspective of you towards the world, towards India and towards society. So there is no source, but I recommend you personally also, in the very first class which is in the YouTube, how to prepare for essay also I told the same thing, now also I am going to say the same thing. I told you to read one book. Non-fiction books. The best source would be, this is non-fiction books. Non-fiction books means some books will be there like Nandan Nilekini books, Imagining India. Several books will be there. Views of the People, The Discovery of India by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. A non-fiction, it will give us a broad view, a perspective. The largest corporate company in the world, East India Company, such type of books will give us a perspective, will give us a view. So I recommend you to, if you want to read topics or if you want to read some sources, the first source and the important source will be the non-fiction books. Non-fiction books you start reading. You will get information from your point of view, you will get perspectives. If you remember, Lok Sabha channel will have one program. What is that program called as? Perspective. Why that name is there? It will create perspective. It will give opinion. It will give us our dimensions about society, about India, about world. That is the reason the program name is Perspective. So it will build a perspective regarding health, regarding education, regarding skill development. Final analysis and my conclusion is, don't keep your essay preparation last. Never. It is going to be a suicidal mistake. It is going to be a very big mistake. If you think that I will do my essay preparation in the last, then UPSC also think that you are the last. Don't keep your essay preparation last. It should be part of your polity, it should be part of your economy. Why only polity, why only economy, why only geography, why only history? Essay is also same value. Don't keep your preparation last. Don't go for shortcuts. Abstract essays you cannot rot learn and you cannot reproduce. If you think that, then you are a fool. Rot learning is never in abstract essays. I don't know about generic essays. Today I am talking about philosophical essays. I am talking about the topic. In philosophical essays, you cannot by heart some essay and you cannot reproduce. You will get 5 marks out of 300, 250 marks. Because of your hard work, because of sympathy, the evaluator will give 5 marks. Number 2, don't go for a shortcut. Have a complete idea. Have a complete knowledge, have a wider perspective, have a deeper analysis, go deeper, go inside, have a permanent view. So, don't go for shortcuts. Skill of linking different dimensions. Yes, it might be abstract essay. We should develop our skill of linking with different dimensions. Yes. History, farce, we can link historically, social consequences, political consequences, economical consequences, the statement which is given by Karl Marx. Real, rational, rational, real, yes. In different examples I can prove that real is rational only, no? See, this is I am rational. I am rational or I am a hypothetical. I am in front of you. My material is in front of you. My views are open. So I am a rational now. So rational is what real. So the essay talks about don't be very much superficial, don't be very much dramatic, don't be very much utopian, don't be very much ideal, be practical, be real. Being real is rational. In social example, one political example, one economical example, these many examples you will be writing. English is playing major role, my dear students. This I will be warning from the beginning. English is playing a major role. You are preparing for UPSC, so you have to work according to the UPSC. If you work according to you, UPSC will tell that you work according to me. Why? Because you are writing my exam, I am not writing your exam. And the UPSC is towards English. I am sorry that if you are a vernacular, if you are from Telugu medium or any medium, your preparation should be on the lines of English. If you prepared for Telugu, you tell me how much time it will take to understand these statements, 8 statements, 250 marks at stake, 250 marks at stake, essay also, sorry, ethics also, English driven, ethics is English driven or not, the words, your English is most important. Your English is most important. English, why? Because UPSC is moving towards English, so you should also move towards English. Basic English, English words, without grammatical mistakes, without spelling mistakes. You should be very much natural in your English. Hows are then practice. Your English should be good. Those who are writing in vernacular also, I am telling you that yes, if you want marks, you have to shift to English medium. It's tough, it will take time, but you should get marks. English is playing a major role. Reading non-fiction books. Reading non-fiction books. Learn to write more. You have to feel happy. Learn to write more, learn to write more, learn to write more. You should love to write. Writing. UPSC is all about writing. UPSC is not about reading. UPSC is synonymous with writing. UPSC is not synonymous with reading. You have to love to write. Learn to write more, learn to write more. For example, if I give a statement, early morning rainbow was very beautiful. Early morning rainbow is very beautiful. You should be in a position to write from year to year. Only this elaboration, elaborative sentences you have to do, descriptions you have to do. Morning rainbow is beautiful. So you have to start writing. Rainbow is this many colors. Rainbow in the early morning, it looks like drizzling color. It's very breezy in the morning. It looks very pleasant. I got peace in the morning. So it should be an elaboration. This one sentence you should be in a position to elaborate it. Love and learn to write more. You should love. Learn to write more. Don't rely on processed material alone. Again, I am telling you, I am not telling you that don't read processed material. I am telling that read, but yes, material is important only, but don't believe only one material. It might be my material also. Don't believe in one material. Don't rely on processed material alone. It should be source, but you should be present. No. You should present. If you are present, then only the UPSC want to give marks. If you want to process, means you have to work hard. So this processed material you should take, and your material also add to it, and you have to make your own complete notes. Lot of practice. And finally, practice, practice, practice. Lot of practice, practice, practice. No other mantra. Practice, practice, practice. When you start practicing this type of essays, you will be doing many. You should be tempted to write the exam. That much quicker you have to be. Writing a philosophical essay. Philosophical essays prove some point through the use of rational argument. A philosophical essay is not about flowery language. It's never about flowery language. A storytelling techniques is not about a storytelling techniques or surprising the reader. The beauty of a philosophical essay is found in your ideas. How you put it, how you place it, how you write it, means that is the reason for a philosophical essay there is no one best way. Woodrow Wilson is one of the former United States of American president. He told, there is one best way. There is no one best way of doing administration. There are many ways of doing administration. You can choose the which is best one. But for one, we cannot tell that this is the best way. Why? Because he was been criticizing the bureaucracy of the bureaucratic system, Weber's bureaucratic system. In this context, Woodrow Wilson told, true, there will not be any one best solution. There will be multiple solutions which we have to choose. We have to pick up. How? Percentage wise, from this 10%, from this 20%, from this 30%. You have to mix all these things. You have to refine it. You have to polish it, and you have to come up with a final product. And that final product will be saleable. Saleable means you are getting marks. So it's not about writing with again, sir, now only you told English language, now you are telling flowering language means poems, high-end English language, the words like banana republic. Such type of words are not required. Basic English, good English, no requirement of flowery language, no requirement of storytelling techniques, no requirement of surprising the reader with a good Shashi Tharoor English words, no requirement of that English. The beauty of a philosophical essay is found in your ideas. The language that you use is only a tool for conveying these ideas to the reader. So that English language is enough. That language is enough. The art is in proving one's point clearly. So finally is what, sir, means it is an art. It is an art about proving one's own point clearly. What I want to tell you, if I deliver properly, then you reach the target. For that, we need to have practice. So these all philosophical essays is art. The philosophical essays are art. Finally, how you are going to prove it is important. How you are going to prove it means how you are making the reader to understand. Finally, how you are going to make the reader understand and you are making him to give the marks. Your paper will be graded on 3 basics mainly. How evaluation. Now I told you how you have to prepare. So for that prepared essay, for the written essay, how and why, what are the criteria on which they are going to give the marks? Number 1, content, clarity, argument. Content, clarity, argument. Content, enough information, enough data. Enough content, enough data. Clarity, what you want to express, you are expressing in a clear way, clarity way. Content, clarity and argument. Argument means what you are telling, you are proving with examples. Argument means what stand you are taking, you are proving with example. These 3 things will give you marks. Content, clarity, argument. How good is your critical analysis? It is worth bearing in mind that some of what makes an argument a good one will take you beyond the issues of logical structure and even the truth of the premises. Mainly, your argument, how you are going to prove, how you are going to take your argument forward, like a debate. When you will accept my debate, when I am rational, when I am practical, when I am real. If someone asked me, we are in the 2nd floor now, I will give you 30 seconds. You have to go to the ground floor and you have to open the gate. 30 seconds. I have to go and have to, if I tell I will jump from here, I will open the gate. So it's not rational, it is not ideal, it's not true. So that type of example should not be there. Example should be real, example should be practical. Content, clarity, argument. Here are the 3 tips to achieve clarity. First tip, which I like the most. This I took from one of the US university. I thought it will be very useful, so I am telling you. You have to think the evaluator as a lazy person. You have to think evaluator as an idiot. Evaluator is very lazy, very lazy person. For lazy persons, we have to be sensitive. They are not sensitive. We have to be sensitive while giving him work. Why? Because only one time they will take. At that time only it should be done. Again, if we give, whether they will take. Why? Because already they are lazy. So when we are giving work, in the first instance only we have to make them appreciable. So we have to worry that in our mind, already the reader, already the evaluator is a very lazy person. So from the beginning itself, I have to be very careful. If I have that in my mind, whether my essay will be careful essay or not, whether my essay will be an articulated essay or not. Why? Because every time I will be cross-checking whether somewhere I am deviating or not. Why? Because if once he get deviated, he will throw the paper out. So the first point we have to think that the evaluator, the reader is a lazy person. When you have that fear, then your essay will be a very articulated one. First point. Assume the reader is stupid, not so stupid but lazy. Try reading the paper out loud. If you find yourself reading something you wouldn't say, don't write it. Number 2. At your homework, at your home when you are practicing an essay, for self-evaluation I am telling you, you had written one essay, take the essay, read it louder. Long ago, once upon a time in India, Mughal kingdom is there. So you are writing an essay. It should be very louder. Why? Because it should be heard by your ears. If your ears are pleasant, your ears are enjoying what you are reading, then 100% your essay is a very good essay. No need for third person, second person to appreciate you. Why? Because your ears itself is becoming pleasant. Arey yaar, it's a very good essay I wrote. So second thing is, in the practice, you have to read, you have to write and read very loudly. When you are reading it loudly, if you feel pleasant, that means your essay is good essay. Second one, do this. Third, you might consider confining yourself to making just 1 point per paragraph. Third point, you need to write pages. In pages there will be, for every page, three paragraphs will be there. Every paragraph confined to one point. Every paragraph confined to one point. For example, that Cradlewala woman essay, first point when you are writing, write about love, write about care, write about comfort, what mother gives, then how we have to take care about mother now. So next. So every point should be a paragraph. The explanation which you are giving should be point wise, and that point should be an essay. This is the 3 points which I want to tell you. Number 1, evaluator is lazy. Number 2, you have to read by yourself louder. Third, every statement or every context is one paragraph. Means in one paragraph, 2 statements should not be there. In one paragraph, two context should not be there. Every paragraph should be filled by one context. These are the 3 things which you have to do. This may result in short paragraphs, but imposing this kind of discipline on yourself may help you to fully develop each and every point that you want to make, allow you to better see and assess the argumentative structure of your paper as a whole. This is one essay. So, this is how the essays should be there. Now I will take 3 essays. Customary morality cannot be a guide to modern life. Dream about new India, or dreams which should not let India sleep. What makes a good life? Question mark. What makes a good life? These 3 essays we will be discussing. After this 8 essays also, just I will be giving you the structure. Okay, thank you.